Hey guys, I am so excited because I have my very favorite style box here today. I actually don't even have time to film this morning. I should be heading to work very soon, but I just wanted to take a couple minutes to at least film this intro so I can see what's inside this box because I am excited. So, short story if you're not familiar, it is a styling service for the petite ladies like myself. I believe it is maybe like 5'4" and under. And it's like the other style services where you fill out a style survey, they pick out 5 things, they send it to you, and you keep what you like, send back what you don't like. It does have a styling fee of $25 that does get applied to anything you purchase. There is no discount if you buy all, but I'm cool with that. I'm just so happy to get petite clothing items. One of the reasons why I love this box as well is just I feel like I'm getting pieces that I like more in this box than in other boxes, like they're more my style or something like that. But I'm always really happy with the stuff I get in this box, and my only complaint of this service it just doesn't come frequently enough. I think they just get a little backlogged. I think last time I got this box there was in a note there about how they're kind of improving operations and stuff like that, so hopefully they'll continue to get boxes out the door a little bit quicker, but I'm just happy. So let's go ahead and dive into this box. And it is busting at the seams. So that's part of why I'm so excited to get in this one. I don't know why. It's like for some reason I think the clothes are better if they're bigger. I don't know. So I don't know why a box that's busting at the seams is any more exciting, but it is. It's more exciting. Take my word for it. Okay, so this is how your box comes. This will be like my pricing sheet, and there's a tag for sticking on the outside of this box in order to send back the pieces that you're not going to keep. I'm not going to look at the price sheet right now. So let's just go ahead and dive into it and see what we have. Ooh, I love it already, guys. I love it already. Let's just dive right in. I think part of it is I don't get a lot of weird patterns or anything like that in this box. I'm more of a solid colored type gal. So first off, oh, this is soft. This very soft sweater. It is I wonder, probably doesn't say what color this tag is. The brand is Abound, and it is an extra small, and you can see the color. Looks like it's the kind that's meant to be a little boxy, but doesn't look like it's too bad. So I have high hopes for that. And then next up, we have a pair of dress pants. Oh, these are actually 4 petite. Okay, I'm usually like a 0 petite, but we shall see. Maybe these run extremely small. What brand is this? This is the Alex pant from Amanda and Chelsea. Stretch. Okay, so these are great dress pant. It has like a very subtle pattern to it, and I really like these. They're really nice. So, I like these a lot. Let's keep going. Oh, I don't know what this is, but I want to keep it. Okay, this is by 14th Union. This is an extra small petite, and it is a gray, I guess I'd call it a cardigan. It's almost like a jacket cardigan. Oh, I think that's gonna stay with me. Super soft on the outside, really like that, and really cute. So provided the price is right on this bad boy, that's probably gonna end up staying. All right, now we have Wild Fox, and it is a V-neck thermal, but this is a great layering piece. I just don't buy enough of layering pieces, and then I don't end up wearing the jackets and cardigans that I want to because I don't have anything to wear underneath it, and it's all down. I think there looks like a 3/4 sleeve on it, but really like this. This is great layering piece. Happy with that. Okay. Oh, that looks like there's 6 items in this box. Okay. This is by Sam Edelman, and this is a light wash, and it is a raw hem here I like these a lot. I do enjoy a light wash, that is for sure. So this is this stiletto high-rise skinny ankle. So these, very, very cute. So far I'm loving the box. I'm loving it. Okay, then lastly we have by Gilly this dress with a kind of a, it's not a half sleeve, but well, you can see it. And it has a belt and these pockets to it. And that's really, really cute. I like this dress a lot. Very different than anything I have. And I love, you know, a nice neutral colored dress that I can kind of jazz up with a colored jacket or, you know, colored shoes or booties or something like that. So, okay, there's nothing in this box that I don't like. So, super excited about that. I also saw somewhere here in this mess I've created some scrunchies. So, some velvet scrunchies. Awesome. Okay, so I am super excited to try this stuff on, so let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, first outfit, I've got 3 of the 5 pieces on, so let's just start at the top. So the cardigan, I really like it. She's sized down for sure on an extra small petite, and I'm glad that she did that because this is something I wouldn't want to be crazy oversized. It does have pockets in it. Sleeve lengths are really great. I think it's very cute. I think the whole jacket cardigan thing I think is pretty darn cool. So I like that a lot. So far I'm a fan. Next up we just have the white layering piece, and like I said, I'm not always looking for good layering pieces, and I think this is great. Just very simple, cute. I'd wear it on its own. I'd wear it under stuff. Really happy with that. So jeans. These fit great. I wasn't sure because they're a size up from my usual, but I have no gapping at all here in the waistband. I do feel like I have a little room to grow in this area, but honestly, sometimes I just like a little extra room in. So I'm actually really pleased with the sizing of these. I don't have enough room here to show you guys the ends of them completely, but they are slightly wrong, but they're completely a raw hem. So I could very easily cut off a little bit there. They're called stilettos, so I think maybe they're actually meant to be worn with heels, so they might be a little longer for that. So I'm really happy with these 3 pieces so far. All right, I think I'm gonna do the dress next because I'm really excited to try that. This is so interesting. What do you guys think of this? I think I love it. Let's pull it in its place. I haven't really tightened the belt, but that's fine. I think this is really interesting. I like, are these real pockets? Yeah, these are real pockets here with a little button over it. I love the button up front. I've always loved dresses that have like the buttons all the way, well, the big buttons all the way up. And it fits great. It feels really great. I love kind of the half sleeve look for it. Here's a 360. It's a perfect, like, not too tight thing, so I have plenty of room in here, which I always greatly appreciate. And it's got a little belt on it. I think I kind of love this. What do you guys think? This is just very unique, different, super cute though. Super, super cute. So 2 thumbs up on this. All right, my last 2 pieces next. All right, guys, final 2 pieces. First of all, the sweater. I like it. It's got like this higher neck, almost like a mock neck, and I do like that. It has good thickness, softness. I like that. Slightly longer sleeves, which I would want in a sweater to kind of really bundle up. And it's kind of a shorter sweater, but I have so many like high-waisted pants that come up to here that I'm cool with that, and that's the style. So I do want to, you know, be in style. So I really like this. I think it's cute. It's not too boxy or oversized. I mean, it has a little extra room, but it's not bad. So again, would love to hear your guys' opinion on this. And then the pants. Now, the stylist note did say that she, because when I pulled out of the box, I was all like, it's size 4, that's not my size. But she did say that it does run small, so she went ahead and sent me a larger size. And I'm happy with that, I agree, but I will say waistband wise, it is a little bit too big. The rest fits great. I love the length, really like a good ankle length to it, so I like that a lot. So I'll give you guys a better look at the sweater. There we go. So, all right, well, there's nothing here I didn't like. I like it all. So let's go over the prices and make some hard decisions about what to keep. Okay, let's go over prices and decide what to keep. So first off, this is the Petite open front coat by 14th and Union, $58.62, and I really liked it. I think it's very unique. I think it's like, it was big enough that I could throw on some sweaters underneath it, so it will probably be a great layering piece in that sense. I'm leaning towards keeping it, so, okay. The Sam Edelman stiletto jeans, these are $47.65, which is always, you know, under 50 bucks. I always feel like is a good price for jeans, and I like these. I like these a lot. I think they're different wash than what I have, kind of like the old school look to them. They had a good feel around the waist and bum. Thinking about keeping those as well. So next up we have the Cali V-neck tee by Wild Fox, and this is $36.54. I need more layering pieces like this, so this one's a definite keep. And then we had this dress, which I did really like this dress. This is the Freya 3/4 sleeve tie waist dress by Gilly, $46.84. I think that's a for sure yes. Then we have, this is the Petite printed Ponte pants by Amanda and Chelsea, and these are $52.74. I love them from probably like the hip down, but the waist was just a little bit too big on me, so I'm not going to keep those. And then we had the sweater. So this is the Rogue Crew sweater, and it is $38.16. It is the color cinnamon. So this is a tough box. I mean, I easily could keep everything. I think the Ponte pants were the only things that just really didn't work, but I easily could keep everything. Oh, the entire box for all 6 items is $280.55. And like, so I'm definitely not gonna get everything, and this is really is a tough decision because I like the sweater, I'd love to keep it, I'd love to keep everything. I think the only thing I was for sure on was the V-neck thermal and the dress. The other pieces are all like, I'd like to keep it. I don't know, guys. So, would love your guys' help in deciding what to keep, because I'm struggling to decide all solely because I really like it all. So I loved my short story yet again. It is still my favorite styling box that I get. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'd love to hear your feedback below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, then please subscribe below. I think I forgot to mention the referral link. So if you would like to try it for yourself, then there's a referral link below that will get you $25 off of your first box. And I also get 25 bucks, so that is awesome. So, all right, well, hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.